First of all, I would like to welcome each one of you to this student project showcase for the ICSC program. Now, this program has actually given the students the experience and exposure to various multiple intelligences and emotional uh, and social skills to develop and build their 21st century skills. And in this project showcase, they will be sharing their learnings, their reflections, their artworks that they have done in last 1 or 2 months. Uh, and also now today, when we all are here together, this is actually the day where all our collective efforts will be shown, right? May it be students, parents, volunteers. We have class 10 student here who is helping, who is here to help us. We facilitators. It is really normal to feel anxious. It is okay to feel nervous. So before we jump in with the presentation, I would request everyone to take a minute's time, check in with ourselves and see how we feel. Okay, and you may please use the chat box to share your feelings. It's okay if you do not share why, just feel free, vent it out, and then let's jump onto the presentation with full energy and full form. So for a minute or so, feel free to express how you feel right now in the chat box. Excited? Okay, Devansh. I've started seeing some responses. Makes me glad. Glad. Okay, Krishita. Also, I would request to all the students, make sure that all your cameras are on so that when your turn comes, we are able to kind of find you and spotlight if need be. So all the students of class 4C, I see happy, nice, very, very nice. Okay, I see some responses. Anxious, yes. Nervous, I also feel a bit nervous, Adi. So that's totally natural, don't worry. Okay, we are in it together. Okay, great, great. Okay, so I can see all the responses right here, and what we all can understand is it's not same, right? We all are feeling different emotions right now. So let's do one thing. Let's share certain affirmations in the beginning of the sessions itself so that we are able to enjoy the entire showcase. That one thing, we are here to celebrate our students' learning. So any hiccup, any glitch that happens is part of it. So it's okay if the student freezes for a while, then come back and perform. It's okay if he got logged out and then came back. It's just part of it. So don't worry. The next thing is that we all, we believe in our students and we know that we are going to have fun in the meeting and we are going to enjoy the event. Also, considering that we all are here on the Zoom platform, let's make sure that we are respectful while we interact with each other and make sure that everyone, student, parent, they all get their fair chance when they want to speak. I also put this in the chat box before we begin so that in case if we want to refer it afterwards or during the time we are presenting, it's all here, right? So I hope everyone is able to see it in the chat box. I think student giving me a thumbs up will help me know. Students, we are a team. Yes, show me some thumbs up so I know. Yes, yes, I see that. I see that. Okay. So yes. So with this, let's quickly begin with our showcase. And I would want to introduce you to the stars of our showcase. For some of you sitting at your home, for some of you sitting right beside you, and for some of you in the other screen, it's the student who are going to showcase their work. So I would want all of you to give a quick applause and welcome all the students and encourage them to present their work. Right. So with this, let's quickly start with the presentation and the showcase. So first of all, we started this year by exploring the concept of grit, resilience, and goal setting. During this journey, there were a number of times when we learned from our students of class 4C. And we would like to take this opportunity to share glimpses of our journey with all of you. So students, are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
I see all. Okay, wonderful.
I'm excited. I'm ready.
Great, great.
Yes, ma'am.
I hear some music songs that I taught in the class. I'm glad about that. Great. Okay. So with that excitement, curiosity in place, let's quickly jump into the presentation. So first of all, I would now request Kahini. Is Kahini here?
Yes, ma'am.
Kahini is here. Okay, Kahini, will it be possible for you to switch on the camera so that I can spotlight? Yes, I think that would help. Thank you so much. Okay, so Kahini, can you tell me what is grit according to you?
Yes, according to me, grit is something that consists of passion, making a big goal into small parts. Grit means courage and determination that makes it possible for somebody to continue doing something difficult or unpleasant. Grit is passion and perseverance for long-term goals. One way to think about grit is to consider what grit isn't. Grit isn't talent, grit isn't luck. Grit isn't how intensely for the moment you want something. Instead, grit is about having what researchers call an ultimate concern, a goal you care about so much that it organizes and gives meaning to almost everything you can do. And grit is holding steadfast to that goal, even when you fall down, even when you screw up, even when progress toward that goal is halting or slow. Talent and luck matters to success, but talent and luck are no guarantee of it. In the very long run, I think grit may matter at least as much, if not more.
That's beautifully presented, and I loved couple of lines saying grit is not, is not what is called luck, right? You really have to make sure that you hold on to your goals, get up every day, show up no matter what happens, right, Kahini? Yes. Okay, so now I would request Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just a second, I'll just spotlight. Why can't I see Sanvi? Okay. Yes, Sanvi. Sanvi, if I had to ask you, what do you think about grit, and do you think it is important? How does it help us? What are your thoughts on that?
Yes, I think grit is important because if you don't have courage, you will be depressed. And if you're depressed, you will keep changing jobs and can't keep up in one job. Grit helps us to be courageous and to be confident. And if we are not courageous, we can't do anything. Grit also helps us to achieve goals.
Yes. Thank you so much for sharing that, Sanvi. And I think the way you shared that, grits, if you do not have grit, you'll be changing jobs, right? You'll not stick to one thing if the going gets tougher. So I think thank you for sharing that. Now, as per the research conducted in the field of grit by Angela Duckworth, setting goals helps us to build our skills of perseverance and grit. Let us ask our young learners about their goals, which they have created using their goal ladder. I would now request Mantra to share about his goal ladder.
Yes, ma'am. So this is my goal ladder, and I am going to improve my reading skills. So first of all, I need to read more newspapers, then write see some stories in different languages and take interest in current affairs.
That is wonderfully presented, Mantra, and I appreciated how you divided the main goal into the smaller goals of updating yourself with the current affairs and practicing on the same. Thank you for sharing the same. Trishita, can you tell us about your goal ladder?
Yes. So this is my goal ladder that I have made by myself, and this goal ladder is a very important thing in our life. It encourages us and encourages us in doing something or gaining something. For I just wanted to see myself in super dancer. For that I need to practice, be perfect and be fit. So I just do that every day, and I try to be fit, be perfect, and practice a lot. So yeah, this is my goal letter.
Can you please bring it a little near to your screen? Yes. Yes. Okay.
Goal ladder is very important, and thanks our teachers, Khushbu ma'am, to help us make the goal ladder and give the creative ideas in the art session. Thank you.
That is amazing, Trishita. And one point that you said, that goal ladder is important, and it is important to break it into smaller parts so that you keep yourself on track, right? Yes, that is
Yes.
correct. Okay. Just give me a moment. Right. So now, with those wonderful presentations in place, let's quickly move ahead to see what other students have in place. Mastering each step of your goal is the key to success. Students explore this concept through mastering their dance movements. Aryan, can you show all of us one dance movement that you have mastered?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I hope Aryan is visible to everyone on the screen. Give me a moment. I can't find. Yes, Aryan, wait a second. Yes. Okay, let me play the song and you can then share your step that you've mastered. He's all set, Aryan. Wonderful. Thank you, Aryan. That wave was wonderfully done. Okay, I'll just remove the spotlight. Yes. So Siddharth, after seeing Aryan's dance and that moment that he's practiced, do you think practice is important to master something?
I think practice, in my opinion, I think practice is important because you improvise your own skills and you get to know about your skills
Right.
that you have.
Absolutely correct. Then is there anything that you are practicing and you are getting better at it, Siddharth?
I practiced football, but first I was among the bad ones in football, but then I was persistent. I was persistent. I was committed. I was confident to do it. I was not scared of failure. I took risk, and I had grit, and then finally I achieved my goal.
That's beautifully done. The drawing is also wonderful and you explained it beautifully. Also, I would request the parents feel free to use the chat box to encourage the kids if need be. Feel free, if you feel the kid is doing great job, feel free to show some claps on your screen or in the chat box. Thank you so much, Siddharth. That must take a lot of efforts and hard work. Many a times when we are working on a goal and things become difficult, we want to give up. How many of us it happens that whenever a going gets tougher, we just want to change jobs, right? I see some hand raises. Yes, it happens with me also. Okay, I'll be really frank here. Right. So now, but we have to keep on trying, right? We've got to keep trying, and our students will tell you how. Now we will give it over to Advik and then Madhva. Just a second. Yes, Advik.
Yes. So, sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ni sa 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 re re ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ni sa sa. Thank you.
Good work, Advik. That definitely shows that we have tried a lot, we have practiced a lot, we have to keep on trying and we have to keep on practicing. Great work, Advik. Is Madhva here? I can't see Madhva. So Madhva, in case if you are here, I would request you to say something so that I can spotlight. Okay. So, yes. Now for every goal that we set, we also have a plan to support. Our students learned this through their art activity when they planned their drawings in a step-by-step way to achieve their goals of learning to draw human figures. We have, just a second, Arna, are you there? Okay. Adi, we have Adi who will show us the visual art activity and share his experience. Adi, over to you.
Hello, I am Adi Hiran for class 4C. Geometric shapes are the figures which demonstrate the shape of the object we see in our everyday life. In geometry, shapes are forms of objects which have boundary lines, angles, and surface. Here, I have made one girl and one boy using different shapes. They both are very good friends, celebrating their friendship. Cheers to friendship. Thank you.
Wonderfully explained, Adi. And I appreciate how you, how you made the picture and all the shapes were kept perfectly in place to make those figures. Yes, Adi is happy by himself also. Adi, great job. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
During the lockdown, a lot of us worked on our fitness goals. Didn't we? We did work on our fitness goal in some or the other way, right, everyone? Now, our students also took up the challenge of becoming fit and fab through the dance lessons. We have Devansh Rajpura and then Devyan to show us how they worked on becoming healthier through constantly challenging themselves and moving one step towards their goal. Devansh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Devansh. I'm going to play this song. Okay? All the best.
These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. I move my head, 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 head. I move my eyes, eyes, eyes. I move my nose, 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 nose. I move my ears.
Great work, Devansh. That was really energetic. Thank you so much. Now we have Devyan.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes. Can you say something so that I can spotlight?
Hello.
Yes, found you. Chalo, I'm going to play the song.
These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. I move my head, 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 head. I move my eyes, eyes, eyes. I move my nose, 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 nose. I move my ears, ears, ears. I move my mouth, 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 mouth. I move my neck, 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 neck. I move my shoulders, shoulders, shoulders. I move my stomach, 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 stomach. These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go.
Great work, Devyan. Great job. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Great,
Yes,
great.
ma'am.
Wonderfully done.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderfully done. Okay. With that in place, let's quickly see what other students have in place for us, other students as in the store for all of us. The goals that we set are deeply influenced by our interest and our passion. I would now like to invite Priyanshi. Priyanshi, can you tell us what is that you are interested in and how are you working towards getting better at it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm interested in playing table tennis and I'm getting better at it by playing table tennis for 1.5 hours every day. Till now I have learned backhand, forehand, toss, spin, backhand cut and forehand cut. My goal is to play table tennis at national level. To be fit, I eat a healthy diet which includes milk and eggs. I do exercise for at least 15 minutes a day. And my goal is to do at least 9,000 steps every day. Thank you.
That is wonderfully shared, Priyanshi. I loved how you organized all the information and shared with us. Wonderful. Devansh Gogia. Yes, Devansh, can you tell us what is your hobby and how are you practicing it?
Yes, my hobby is to learn new languages and now I am learning French and here is my new word sum. Bonjour, bonjour is hello and merci is thank you and au revoir is bye.
That is wonderful, Devansh. Thank you for sharing all those words. So next time I want to wish this class a goodbye, I'm going to say this, okay? Right?
Thank you.
Thank you, Devansh. Ready, set, and goals. This has been a motto for our team of Grit. And I would now like to invite Chahal and then Hriday to take us all of us on the musical journey of goal setting. Yes, Chahal is all set and I can spot her now. Yes, Chahal.
A dream survive. If I can see it, then I can be it. I have plans, gonna get it right. I have my mindset. I know my next step, 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 step. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. We're on the road. Ready, set, go. Go.
I have a voice so strong. If I don't use it, then I can lose it. I have my goal. I have my song. I have my mindset. I know my next step. Step, 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 step. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. We're on a roll. Ready, set, goes. Goals. Ready, set, goes.
Great work. Great work, Chehel and Hriday. I just loved how you both said, okay, now your turn, and you pass to the other person. Great coordination. Give yourself credits for the days you've made it when you thought you couldn't. Appreciating steps and little achievements is as important to the journey of perseverance as it is to stay gritty. I would now like to invite Suhana to tell us how small little drops of water make the mighty ocean and how small in the way as little steps make a big goal. Suhana.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. Now students also know that ma'am needs to spot, right? Chalo. Yes, Suhana.
Hello everyone, I am Suhana Oza and today I am singing a poem named Little Drops of Water. Let's begin. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Thank you.
Thank you, Suhana. Is Agastya in the meeting? Yes, he is.
Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
Great. Okay. So now I would like to invite Agastya to share the letter which he wrote to himself on the steps which we all can take to celebrate our wins. Agastya, you need to say hi to me. Where are you?
Hello. Hello, my name is Agastya and this is my self-appreciating letter to me. I love all the pieces of me. I love that I try my best. I love that I can help my elders. I love that I'm kind to animals. I love that I believe in myself and my abilities. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That's a beautiful chart, Agastya, that you've made. Maybe next time when I come to the class, I would want to know the name of the pet that you're holding. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, on mute.
Oh, okay. I'm on mute now. Right. So each step that we take towards our goal is a journey into unknown of trying something new. This year, our young learners tried the art of choreographing for the first time, and it was a moment of pride for all of us and for them. I would now like to invite Dhyan and then Nishad. Dhyan, are you there? No, it seems okay. Nishad? Okay. Nishad? Okay, maybe this song will use it at the last to dance is what I understand. Okay. Is Rajveer there? Rajveer, are you there? Okay. So they actually had to dance and show us how they choreographed their own steps and how they felt about it. But I think if they're not here, most of the kids, they felt really creative and they were really happy that they could do something on their own and present it to us. Learning how to be gritty and to continue to persevere towards our goal, come what may, is a journey. Each story of grit is different and being self-aware. Knowing oneself is an important part of the journey. I would now like to invite Zikra and Nishka. Is Zikra there? No, I believe Zikra is also not there. Okay. And Nishka? Okay. So Nishka and Zikra, they had to share a visual art presentation where they actually made the drawing of certain stories that we would have studied in our childhood, like Thirsty Crow, Humpty Dumpty, and Alu Kachalu. So with that representation in place, they had to show. You could find some of those on the Padlet. So yes, that is it. Tough time never lasts, but tough people do. We have seen examples of this every day since the pandemic. We've been role models to our children, and our children have been role models for us. There is so much to learn from these young learners. And to close our showcase on that note, I would now like to invite Javik to tell our audience about one thing which they can do to be more gritty. Javik, a hi first. Need to spot you.
Hi, my friends. Hello.
Yes,
Hi,
yes.
my friends.
Got you, yes.
I think about grit, that my friends should be courageous and dependent on themselves. Try, you will succeed. Life is a beautiful journey, and we should be positive. At last, I want to say all the parents that don't give up and be courageous for anything such as dance, music, art, and drawing. Kids are future of India. Thank you.
That was beautifully summarized, Javik. With this, it brings to end of our showcase for class 4C. But first of all, before we move on to the last segment, I would want to applaud for all the students and each one of us who could give time and be present here. It has been a wonderful journey of around 2.5 weeks presenting together, preparing together, and I am really happy and I'm really proud of all the students. So students, please clap for your own self, raise your hands on your back and pat yourself.